Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on new challenges and adventures. Take a look at this certified pre-owned 2019 Ram 2500 Limited Mega Crew Cab in maximum steel. With automatic headlamps, LED fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, blind spot with cross-path detection, LED tail lamps, tow package, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 19,000 miles on the odometer, 12-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, heated second row seats, power sunroof, 6.7-liter Cummins turbo diesel engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 8189A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.